Today we're looking at home vocabulary, and this lesson was requested by a student of mine called Sanskriti. So here's my home. That's not my home, that's a picture. Just to tell you the insides of a home. Okay? So let's start from the top of the house. That's where I am. I'm at the top of the house. First of all, we've got a roof. Okay? The roof. It's on the top of the house, the roof. Roof usually is made of tile to keep your house sheltered. If we didn't have the roof, especially in England, we'd get lots of rain in the house. So a roof keeps your house sheltered. So that's a roof. The attic. So there it is. It's just showing you in the 3D picture there. Just to show you where the attic is. It's right at the top of a house, underneath the roof. The attic is at the top of the house. There it is, the attic. I work in the attic. So I love my purple wallpaper, and my little desk sits in the little room at the top of the house in the attic, away from all of the members of my family. Next we've got bedroom. It's my bedroom. It's where I sleep. You can see my husband's things are all hung up on that side. My things are hung up on the other side of the room because I was taking it from the doorway. So I didn't want to go to the other side of the room and take the other side of the room. But this side is where you see from the door. So this is the bedroom, and that's the adult's room. And it's a place where you sleep and rest. Bedroom. Bathroom. Now I've got two bathrooms, a bathroom and a toilet. So here's my main bathroom, and that bathroom fits onto my bedroom. So that's the toilet that my husband and I use. Bathroom. A place where you can wash, and a place where you can go to relieve yourself. So you go to the toilet. You can see it's a small toilet there. So that's the bathroom. So we've got an extra toilet. So that's in one room on the middle floor. And that's where you can go to relieve yourself. The toilet. Some people have a toilet as a separate room. So I do. Some people don't. They just have the bathroom. Staircase. It's your turn. Staircase. Stairs. So you can go upstairs. This is mine. Upstairs we have 1, 2, 3. I didn't go all the way up. I just thought I'd stand in the living room and take a picture of the stairs. But there's the stairs. You can go upstairs or downstairs to different places in your house. So for example, if I was going to go upstairs to the bedroom, I would go upstairs. If I was in the bedroom and I wanted to go down to the living room or the kitchen or the dining room, I would go downstairs. Upstairs, downstairs, that's directions. Or the noun, staircase. Next room, we've come downstairs, and here we go, it's my living room. It's my favourite place to be. Living room. I must have moved on this picture, it's not very clear. So it's a place to relax and spend time with the family. So it's definitely a place where I like to relax. I normally like to lie on that grey sofa, read a book, watch TV. TV's on the back wall, you can't see it. And the children like to clear the table with the plants and play a board game on there. So that's the living room. Dining room. Some people don't have a dining room, they have a kitchen and dining room combined. Dining room. place to go to eat your food at a table. So you can see there, I've got a TV in my dining room because it's where the family spend time eating, and my children like to watch the cartoons when they're having dinner, breakfast, lunch. It's a dining room. Okay, as I said, some people don't have a dining room separate. I do. Some people have a dining room in the kitchen. So here we go, kitchen. So I've got a very small kitchen, but a very long kitchen. Okay, and that door there goes onto my driveway at the back. So here we got the kitchen. A place to cook meals or wash up. So I don't cook. I don't cook. My husband cooks. I wash up. So I'm on that side washing up and my husband's on the other side cooking. So that's the kitchen. Laundry room. So it's where I do the washing of the clothes. So it's a little space just outside the kitchen. It's a laundry room. It's a place to wash the clothes and dry them if you have a dryer. So the washing machine's on the bottom because that's the heaviest. The dryer's on the top. It gets used a lot in the winter time. Not in the summer, we hang clothes outside in the garden. So the dryer gets used in the winter. Basement. Now I don't have a basement, so I had to look for a picture. I have an attic, not a basement, but here's a basement. This is a room under a house, and it's mostly dark. It's a very dark room. Some people have the basement made out into an office. We haven't got a basement, so we chose to use the attic. Garage. Well, there's a garage. A place to keep your car at night. Okay, so that's a garage. This is a two-car garage because you have two cars, my car, my husband's car. So it's a two-car garage. Next we have my garden. And here it is. Love the garden. So it's a nice place for the children to play. Nice grass. So yeah, I love my garden. Place to be outside of your house. Driveway. And here's the drive. A place to put your car when you do not have a garage. So I have garages to the right, driveways on the left. Sometimes if I'm finishing work, just place it on the drive, and then I go back and forth. At night time, we do put the car in the drive. I do hope that you've enjoyed the house vocabulary today. Thank you, Sanskriti, for asking for this vocabulary lesson. If there's any more ideas, please pop your notes in the comments box below like Sanskriti has, and I will make a lesson accordingly. Okay? I hope this lesson was useful for you to find lots of house vocabulary that you do not know. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now. Bye.